Hey everybody, Justin at TOURIG for a quick installation video on our privacy curtain. So with the TOURIG privacy curtain, you're going to need two things: a headliner shelf of some sort, as well as some sort of installation or hanging bar. It could be the round or square tubing. Privacy curtain is going to come with several attachment points on the top edge of the curtain. One little trick, TOURIG logo will always be on the top of the curtain. What you want to do is take the strap, loop it over the bar, and then connect the button as so. Another cool feature of our TOURIG privacy curtain is on each side you'll have magnetic tabs to help secure the curtain to the B-pillars. Each TOURIG privacy curtain comes with a set of magnets and hardware for you to attach to the B-pillar in your van. Another feature of the TOURIG privacy curtain is the two buckle straps. One strap comes off the curtain. This strap will be attached to the B-pillar on the driver's side. The other buckle is attached to the curtain to keep it nice and tight when it is in its accordion style. Another thing you'll notice about the TOURIG privacy curtain is that it doesn't go all the way to the floor. There's a reason for that. Most vans will have a heat source under the passenger seat base, and you want that heat to enter the van comfortably. For more information on our TOURIG privacy curtain, or if you want to purchase one for your van, check out our website at mytourig.com.